Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the profiles tag within AXIOM. Slightly different to tags and comments. Profiles are their own kind of bookmark, if you want, and is really good in identifying or tagging material that is relevant to a user or identifier as such. Hence the reason why we've called it a profile. So, for example, if I wanted to make a profile, and for example, if we were conducting an investigation and one of the nominals was called Sarah, we'll create a profile called Sarah. Add that in, and you see here that Sarah is now created as a profile and is now ready for items to be assigned to her. So one of the key features within AXIOM is a artifact category called identifiers, and this is essentially a search for any identification in relation to a user. So this could be anything from a username, email address, a Twitter handle. You can see here back by as we scroll down, this is what it's recovered, and this is the artifact that it's in relation to, and this is the type of ID it is. So this here is an author ID from Twitter tweets. So if I just filter for identifiers, because this is all we want to search for at the minute. So this is just to show us identifiers, and then we want to search for the name Sarah because she's one of our nominals for this investigation. So what this will do is this will find the name Sarah within identifiers. So we can see here that there's just over 1,000 identifiers, and out of them 51 have the name Sarah. So we're trying to narrow down the artifacts that are in relation to a person or a user. So what I would do now is, with these 51 results, I would select them all, as these are all identifiers as such. And then on the right hand side here you'll see the words tags, comments and profiles. If I just click on that to expand it out, you'll see that my profiles pane is viewed here, and we have a nominal by the name of Sarah. If I just tick that now, so that basically assigns all these identifiers to this profile. These identifiers are now attributed to the profile Sarah. So if I just clear all my filters now and go back to the beginning of the case, which shows all the results, if I apply my profile tag now from Sarah, this will do a search for all them identifiers across the whole data set. And then as you can see here, we've got some emails which may be relevant. We've got mobile account information, again Sarah and Sarah. So again, it's just another way of trying to reduce your data set into the relevant information that you're trying to find. So using a combination of the identifiers and profiles is a good way to try and find material in relation to a user or nominal.